the app. Then you log in. Then get access. Okay. Then let's down to buy I want to buy data bundle. I want to buy data. Okay, MTN data. If I want to buy other network, I will click on other GSM data. But I want to buy MTN, so I click on MTN data bundle. Okay. Select the data type. Okay, no data. Select the data type. Okay, SME data. I click on SME data. Okay. Then you select. Wait first. Why did I click on SME data? Because MTN business is SME. But and SME is cheaper than direct. So let's see direct stuff. You will buy a lot of stuff. You can buy 250 MB here, 1 gigabyte here for 1 day, and all of that on MTN direct. But let me buy MTN SME for now. Okay, I click on MTN 1 gigabyte. I have to pay 250. Okay, then I enter the phone number. I enter the phone number. I click on data bundle. Buy data. Then, do you want to recharge? For this, you check the number again to confirm. Then you click on confirm, but I'm not confirming now. Then I can check my data history and see what I have sold. You can make it big here if you are using your phone. See what I've sold for people. Then complete. Okay, then if I want to buy airtime now, I come to airtime, buy airtime. Select the network. I want to buy Airtel. Enter the phone number, the mobile number. Then I enter it. It said the mobile number is Airtel Nigeria. Then I enter amount here, 1,000 naira. Amount to pay. Confirm. Oops, insufficient balance. So that is it. Enter the amount Airtel here, the phone number here, your phone number here. So that is it. Then if you want to buy your cable TV, you come here, select the decoder you want, DSTV and GoTV or StarTime. You put the IUC number here, you will verify, then that is all. So that is how to buy any product on Emmybest Ventures. And you can also come to your airtime history or anything to check all what you have sold, and you will check the status of everything. Yeah, completed. So that is how to buy